Welcome back, glad to see you. Hope you're having a great day. We're gonna take a look in this video at some other ideas on how to get some creative Instagram shots. We've put together several other ones to where we're trying to help you personally, get those creative Instagram shots. Not those shots that make me wanna just go take a nap. Yeah, we're trying to get away from those boring shots, making them a little bit more creative. In this video here, I have taken some different pictures of some flowers. So you personally could take a bouquet like this, which are beautiful in themselves, set them up, and get some beautiful, beautiful pictures that you could use, well, either for just around the house or for your Instagram. But now I want you to think a little more creative again. I want you personally to take some of these ideas that I'm giving you and adapt it. Make it your own. One of the things that I highly recommend doing is getting yourself a good lens. A lens that has a low aperture, something like a 1.8, a 1.4, or a 1.2. So either you're using a prime lens, which is a lens that has a set focal, it does not change. It doesn't go from 18 to 55, but it's only a 35, 24, or 50, so on and so forth. But make sure that it has a low aperture. Emphasis on that. In these photos here, I use this Nifty 50. A very inexpensive lens. I think we paid around $59. You can get it $59, $79, $89, all the way up to around $100. Well, no, you spend thousands of dollars on a 50 millimeter, depending on how much you want to spend. But on an inexpensive way, a $59 lens with a 1.8 aperture. Look how beautiful these photographs are, just absolutely gorgeous. And so what we did, my wife and I, in these photos, as you can see in some of these different pictures, is we really set it out, added some depth of field into these photos by placing the flowers at different depths and really adding that creative side to your photos. I'm always telling you to think out of the box. I can't overemphasize that. Don't just take what someone else is doing and copy that exact thing. Don't just mimic them. Take what they're doing and add your own personal touches to it. Go down to your local art stores, your different craft stores, or even in the craft department at Walmart. You can get some great ideas to add to backgrounds. Make your photographs that you're using for Instagram creative. Make them look just beautiful. Put those beautiful, buttery, crisp, gorgeous touches on those to make them stand out. I hope this helped. Hope this again gave you some more ideas, and let me know down in the comments what you would like me to make next. What kind of ideas you have. Leave your link to some of your videos that you have made so I can go and check them out. I would love to see what you guys are putting out there. If you guys want to know anything perhaps on different camera settings, or what sort of equipment that I would recommend for different settings, let me know again in the comments. If you are getting good information from these videos, you like them, then hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, hit the bell icon. That way you get notified every time we put out a new video. Get out there, create something, and put it in the comment below. A link to all these beautiful things that you yourself are creating. I would love to help support your channel. So let me know, and we will see you in the next one. Remember, nobody wants to sleep during your Instagram shots. Add a little creativity and go create something, guys. I'll see you in the next one.